Lagi daw siya nandito. Lagi daw.
Yeah, wow!
Ayan na ako.
Where are we now? What? Kineleti. Oh, this is our so this is our room for today, and here, and this is the toilet. It's very clean.
Sarap buhay tayo dito.
Doon na doon?
O, syempre.
Ano doon, Timo? Belfast boy?
Syempre, Belfast boy. Kailangan natin mag-relax.
Kala mo stress na stress?
Syempre, stress sa'yo.
Visit ka! Ay, open. Yay! Wait, Daddy will help you. Oh. Up. And then turn it on. There you go, go. Go. Ooh. Go. It's, yeah, because it's called hot tub. Go.
It's supposed to be hot tub.
Go. There you go. Whoa. It's nice? Yes. It's not gonna be, ano, Jaxie, it's not deep.
It's not deep.
I know. Go back, you go, stay there. It's nice.
How do you turn this off?
Turn it off.
Go.
Is it like hot? Is it because it's a hot tub?
Yeah. Nice. It's not deep. You like it?
Yes. It's like I'm in space.
Whoa. You can sit and then put your head here.
Malagay naman, magalang sa kilig.
Init! Di mo mag-enjoy ka dito. Ang sarap!
Mommy, look. Look. Look.
Wow! It's warm, Jack.
This is Elon Musk.
Is this Elon Musk? Wow, Jaxie! Are you enjoying? Yeah, so cool. Ah,
Sarap din.
sarap. Timo, harap ka naman dito sa camera. Shh. Mag-video ka kaya dyan. Tino, pato mo nga to dyan sa ano. Dali, dyan sa table.
May i-video mo.
Kaya nga. Ganda ng ano mo, oh, view mo. Kasama yung ano,
Oh.
yung clouds. Doon. Timo, lagi mo lang dun, oh. Papalag mo lang dun, eh. Ilang taon na sila? 18 na siguro sila. Sabi mo naman, kasi naman yung ilaw dito para maganda yung iinitan ako. Ang din, ay iinitan na.
Kulang yung dami sa akin. Plato pa kami.
Alin?
Tuan.
Ay, tingnan yun. Kompleto kaya. Sabi niya. Kasi umilakan mo. Wala kang kapit. Umilakan sa.
Add some more though. You want to? I need to walk around.
Hold my hand.
Not in that's too hard.
And right now,
Bro. Nakaformal ka ba? Well, nakaformal ka.
kahit mangingitin yung pet.
Dad, close the door, Dad. Dad, close the door. Dad, close our door. Close the please. Because the smoke will get inside. Di mo nasiniplakan yung ano?
Lalagyan ko pa lang eh.
Tinamon ka sa atin ang may lalagyan ng sisi. Tapos sabi niya, tapos wala kang isip kung yung snow. Kaya ibang tao, isip na isip mo. Nagawa ka ng ano ko. Sabi ko, ganda yun ah. Parang, paano pa naman privilege yun? Yung binigyan ka na ng trabaho.
Magre-relax ka pero puro chismisan.
Yeah, relax mo like that.
Tayo no?
Tayo tayo.
Protein tayo. Sabi mo na kanin eh.
Kasi akala ko nga kain tayo dun sa bike. Hindi nakaligwas pa rin.
Tapos kaya ride sa atin pa yung may-ari. Yung taga-subway.
Akala ko sinayan.
Meron.
There.
Sitting.
Are you enjoying?
But we're already going home, remember?
Yeah. Are you not happy about it? Why? You want to stay a little longer? We'll do it again.